Hello friends, welcome to Sanjay Surve Maths Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to cover the method of solving the linear equation by graphical method. How can we solve the linear equation by using the graphical method? So let us start the video. Take one example from the practice set 1.2 of your textbook. The first example is like this. Solve by the graph. Equations are given x plus y is equal to 6 and the second equation is given x minus y is equal to 4. Now in order to plot the graph, we want the coordinate of the points. So find at least 4 points. Find at least 4 points. So here write x, y and the coordinate of that point is equal to xy. Now let us take the first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. Write this equation in the format of y is equal to mx plus c. Write the given equation in the format of y is equal to mx plus c in this format. So transpose this x on the right hand side. So we get here y is equal to, write the value of x first and then this 6. So after converting the given equation in this format y is equal to mx plus c, take any value of the x and find the value of y. So we get here the order pair. Now I am taking x is equal to, suppose x is equal to, I am taking 2. So put the value in this equation. So we get here y is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 and plus 6 will be the 4. So we get here the first pair as a 2 and 4. So right here 2 and 4 and the points is like this 2 and 4. Now we take again another value of x. Take the value of x is equal to, suppose 5. So put here in this equation y is equal to minus 5 plus 6. Minus 5 and plus 6 will be the 1. So we get here the another pair 5 and 1. 5 and 1, this is the second pair. Now take the negative value, suppose negative 3. X is equal to negative 3. You can take any value of the x, but take some values positive and take some values as a negative. So we get here y is equal to minus 3, but here this sign from this minus 3 in bracket minus 3 plus 6, this will be 3 plus 6 and 3 plus 6 will be 9. So we get here minus 3 and 9. Minus 3 and 9. Second, third point. The last point, let us take the value of x is equal to, suppose 0. If we taking x is equal to 0, then we get here y is equal to minus 0 plus 6. It will be 6. So we get here 0 and 6. So write the order pair 0, 6. In this way, calculate the value for the equation x minus y is equal to 4. Take here x, here y and here xy. Okay. Now the given equation is like this, x minus y is equal to 4. Convert this equation in this format. So we get here minus y is equal to minus x plus 4. Now multiply by the negative 1 on both sides. So we get here y is equal to, this will be positive and this will be negative. असा हा सिम्प्लिफाईड फॉर्म करून घेतल्यानंतर तुम्हाला इक्वेशन सॉल्व करताना एक्स आणि वायच्या व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करताना सोपं जाईल, म्हणून या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये कन्व्हर्ट करायचं आहे. डायरेक्टली व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी या इक्वेशनमध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायच्या नाहीत. मग आता या ठिकाणी आपण एक्सची एक एक व्हॅल्यू कन्सिडर करायची आणि सेकंड वायची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. सेकंडली एक्स इज इक्वल टू, सपोज टेक एनी व्हॅल्यू, एक्स इज इक्वल टू, सपोज आय एम टेकिंग हियर एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3. Then y is equal to, put here 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. If we subtract the larger number from the smaller, then the value will be negative. So 3 and minus 1, this is the first pair. So right here 3 minus 1. Take another value of x. Let us take it is a suppose 6. So hence y is equal to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 will be 2. So the second point is 6 and 2. Right here 6 and 2. Take any negative value minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 minus 4. Put here minus 4 is equal to minus 5. So negative 1 and negative 5, these are the coordinates of the point. Take one more value. Let us take it is negative 3. Negative 3. Hence y is equal to negative 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 7. So negative 3 and negative 7 is the last pair. Now after calculating this, plot the point for the equation x plus y. You will get the line. That line represent the equation x plus y is equal to 6. In this way, plot the second points on the graph paper, and we get here one line. That line will gives you the equation x minus y is equal to 4. So let us plot the point and draw the line. Now on this graph paper, now I already plot the x-axis and y-axis and this coordinate system. Now plot the point one by one. The first point, म्हणजे आता आपल्याला एक एक पॉइंट घ्यायचा आणि तो प्लॉट करायचा आहे. आपल्याला स्क्रीनवर दिसतोय फर्स्ट पॉइंट 2 and 4. 2 इज द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट अँड 4 इज द वाय कोऑर्डिनेट. या ठिकाणी तो पॉइंट येणार आहे 2 and 4. सो राईट हिअर 2 and 4. आता या ठिकाणी मी पेनचा वापर करतोय, परंतु तुम्हाला मात्र पेन्सिलचा वापर करावा लागेल. व्हिजिबिलिटी चांगली येण्यासाठी मी हा पेन वापरतोय. द सेकंड पॉइंट इज 5 and 1. 5 and 1. द पॉइंट इज हिअर 5 and 1. Third point is negative 3 and 9. Negative 3 and 9, that will be here. Negative 3 and 9. This point is lies here. Negative 3 and 9. And the fourth point is 0, 6. 0, 6. X coordinate is 0. Means this point is lies on the y axis. So here is the point 0, 6. पॉईंट कसे प्लॉट करतात हे आपण इयत्ता 9वी मध्ये अभ्यासलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे त्याचा वापर तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी करावा लागेल. नोट दॅट द पॉइंट्स, these points are always a collinear point. So with the help of the ruler, draw the line. I am using here sketch pen for the better visibility, but in exam this sketch pen is not allowed. You have to use here the pencil. So in this way we completed the first line. Write down the equation of that line. X plus y is equal to 6. This is the equation of line. So right here x plus y is equal to 6. Now in this way draw the second line by plotting the points. The first point is, that is displaying on the screen, 3 and minus 1. 3 and minus 1 means the point is here. 3 and minus 1 is here. The second point is 6 and 2. 6 and 2 means this point is lies here. 6 and 2. The third is negative 1, negative 5. Negative 1 and negative 5 means this point is here in the third quadrant. Negative 1, negative 5, and the last point negative 3, negative 7. Negative 3 and negative 7 is here So this is the point having the coordinate -3 and -7. So again draw the line passing through these points. The points are always collinear point. If your calculations are correct, then the points are collinear. So draw the line passing through these points. Write down the equation of that line. X minus y is equal to 4. This is the equation of that line. So right here x minus 4 is equal to x minus y is equal to 4. Now find the point of intersection of these two lines. Here is the point of intersection. The point of intersection is here. So the point of intersection, so write down answer here. Point of intersection is equal to the x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 1. So 5 1 is the coordinate of the point of intersection. Hence the answer is xy is equal to 5 1 is the solution. 5 1 is the solution. So in this way we can solve the simultaneous equation by using the graph.